Hello, hello, welcome back to IANCG Max. Today we are looking at one Max Olympiad problem. Solve cube root of x minus 2 plus cube root of x minus 3 over into 1 plus cube root of x minus 3 plus cube root of x plus 5 plus 6 cube root of x minus 3 into 1 plus 2 cube root of x minus 3 is equal to 5. So the problem is somewhat big. So how to solve this problem? As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, first of all, here we will do by substitution. Let us take cube root of x minus 3 is equal to a. Then x minus 3 will be a cube. X minus 3 will be a cube. Now x minus 2 will be a cube plus 1. So here x minus 2 is there. That's why I am taking x minus 2 here. X minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 is there. That value took as a. Now another value what is required is x plus 5. So x plus 5 want. So here adding 8 on both sides. So here a cube plus 8 is equal to x plus 5. In this we are adding 8 on both sides. So the required values you got. Now I am going to substitute these values now. So here x minus 2 means a cube plus 1 plus this value is cube root of here you wrote mistake. 3 cube root of, here 3 should be there. 3 cube root of x minus 3. So here you'll get 3a into this is 1 plus a whole to the power of 1 by 3. The second one what you'll get x plus 5 means here a cube plus 8 a cube plus 8 plus 6a bracket 1 plus 2a whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now if you open the brackets here inside, what will get a cube plus 1 plus 3a plus 3a square whole power 1 by 3 plus a cube plus 8 plus 6a plus 12a square whole power 1 by 3. Now here the first two terms you can write in the formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That formula you are going to apply here. So a cube plus 1 can be written as a plus 1 into a square minus a plus 1. So this again we are writing as 3a of a plus 1 whole power 1 by 3. The second one what will get again a plus 2 into a square minus 2a plus 4, a square minus 2a plus 4 plus 6a into a plus 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now here you can take a plus 1 common. If we take a plus 1 common in the first one, a plus 1 if you take common, you'll get a square here minus a here 3m. So you'll get 2a plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus here you can take a plus 2 common. If you take a plus 2 common, here you will get a square here 2a here 6m. You will get 4a plus 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now if you multiply these two values, you will get here a plus 1 whole cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Here if you multiply these two, you will get a plus 2 whole cube whole power 1 by 3 is equal to 5. I forgot to write equal to 5 here. Equal to 5. So forgot to write this equal to 5. Now cube root cancel. Cube and cube root get cancelled. A plus 1 plus a plus 2 is equal to 5. 2a is equal to 5 minus 3. 2a is equal to 2. A value 1. So what is a here? We have taken a cube root of x minus 3 is equal to 1. That implies x minus 3 is equal to 1 implies x is equal to 4. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching and CG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching and CG Max Olympiad.